Welcome back everybody to my channel Chefish. Today we are going to make Persian style rice with a potato crust. This is something my grandmother would make all the time. The trick with this rice is that we're going to parboil it and then we are going to steam it. So please like and subscribe and check out my Facebook and my Instagram page and my website. All that is down in the description below. Let's start with preparing our rice. I'm going to grab 2 cups of rice and place it in a rather large bowl, and then just fill up the bowl with water. And then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of salt, and we're going to give everything a very good mix, and we're going to let this soak for 2 hours. After 2 hours, grab a 3-quart pot, fill it up with water, and bring that to a boil. Also grab a strainer in order to strain our soaking rice. We're going to make sure the pot is boiling, and then we're going to grab our strainer. We're going to strain our rice. We're going to get as much excess water out as possible, and then gently add the rice to our pot. Give it a good stir. Now what we're trying to achieve here is a al dente rice. So we just want the rice to dance at the top of the water, and we want to feel some resistance when we break the grain of rice. Okay, once you get to that point, strain it, wash it with cold water. What the water is going to do, it's going to stop the cooking process and it's going to wash off some of that excess starch. Now, cut your potatoes into 1/2-inch rounds. Then we are going to wash our pot and dry it completely, and then place 4 tablespoons of vegetable shortening into the pot. Bring your potatoes nearby and then prepare a 1/4 cup of oil. Bring your salt nearby because you might need to adjust seasoning, and then bring your rice nearby. Melt your fat, add your potatoes in a single layer and cover any gaps that might occur. Place your rice in the pot gently and then create a slope like a mountain of rice. Use the back of your spoon to make holes, and we're gonna let this steam for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're gonna taste for seasoning. I needed to add salt, so I added it here. I add the salt, I mix it in, I bring the rice back into a pile, make holes again, and then I add our oil. Mix it again, bring it back to a pile, make the holes again, cover it, let it steam for 10 minutes. At this point, make sure you're paying attention to the pot because the rice or the potatoes can burn. So just pay attention and make sure that nothing is burning. Once it's ready, grab a serving tray, carefully get the rice out, and then use a spatula or a knife to kind of pick up the potatoes from the bottom of the pot very gently. And then just place them over the rice. This is how it's traditionally served. Now, just one small thing, the way we cook this rice is we use the potatoes as a platform for the rice to steam on. And essentially, you get a much more even cooking process. But you can use anything else. It doesn't have to be potatoes. So just keep that in mind. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys on the next one.
Okay, bye.